In implementing review and mental math assignments, check out the weekly resources page that can be found before every week in your guide. So we will list out options. The numbers that you see listed are page numbers from the Sherry-Upton book that you are in. So if you're using book 1, it will come from there. If you're using Sherry-Upton book 2, it will come from that book. So as you look through those pages, just choose what your student needs to work on the most and what would be the most beneficial to your unique child. We often also get questions on the timing, like when do we implement these? And sometimes it is weekly. We do have catch up and review days built in the pacing of the week. However, sometimes that doesn't happen, and that's okay. So ideally, it does happen every week, but just know that if you're not making that happen every week, it's okay. So it can be every week. Mental math also can be within each lesson. You can have a special time for mental math. Sometimes I use it during breaks, like transitions between lessons, so it's not actually part of our math lesson. Or you can notice that your child is using a lot of mental math within his normal math lesson, and you would count that as mental math time. So it can look like a variety of different ways. You can also set aside a time once a week for that, or it can be in the car, or it can be just whenever you find the time to do that. So it can look very different based on your family, based on your students, and just make it work for your family.